One of the ways in which GMAC helps us as an industry continue to collaborate is by having events like the annual conference.
This is the industry leader. GMAC really is our main source of professional development. So we really prioritize it as a team to attend this conference. Because our team is a mix of, like most teams, student services, admissions, recruitment, marketing, and I find they're really able to speak to that and speak to many different programs.
We really love coming to GMAC every year. Me and my colleagues have been here for a couple of years now, and it really sparks a lot of new ideas for all of us.
After my 12th GMAC, I'm still continuing to learn. Someone asked me the other day, why did you attend a pre-conference workshop? You know a lot of this. And it's like, well, I don't want to become stagnant or complacent. I want to be able to continue to learn.
There was an incredible sense of positivity this year. You would think with all the challenges that we're facing in the industry, it would, maybe be a little bit more low-key. But in fact, we're coming together, some brilliant professional affinity groups so we could kind of share with organizations and schools that were similar to ourselves.
I love just being able to talk to different institutions, some similar to my own, and then other institutions that have different backgrounds, maybe in terms of enrollment sizes, different types of programs, just to see what other strategies other schools are using.
It's being able to expand our networks, to be able to get mentorship that we may not have at our institution.
They'll have people from the GMAC that are subject matter experts on all of these subjects. They'll also have industry leaders and people from outside of the industry as well to be able to challenge different trends within the industry.
The team really usually loves the ideas that we come back home with, and it's very practical. For example, I've already generated some ideas on how to create more community amongst our students, more sense of belonging.
Even if I walk away with one or two new ideas or a resource that I can then go to afterwards, that's incredibly important. That's invaluable.
Each year I walk away with a lot of practical knowledge that we can really get back to Atlanta and start implementing. So I love that piece.
We are one small piece of a bigger puzzle, and so GMAC is such an important resource in helping us to thrive as an industry. They're the glue at the end of the day that helps us all remember that we are part of a bigger purpose and we are not just in silos working on these day-to-day challenges.